In today's video, I'll show you how to export your client list in Acuity scheduling step by step. If you want to back up your customer data, move it to another system, or analyze your clients in a spreadsheet, this process will help you do it easily. First, log in to your Acuity scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Clients section from the left-hand menu. This is where all your client information is stored. Now you'll see your full client list, including names, emails, and booking history. Look for the Export or Download Clients option, usually located at the top of the page. Click on it, and Acuity will prepare your data file for download. In most cases, this will be a CSV file that works with Excel or Google Sheets. Once the file is ready, download it to your computer. Now open the file to view your exported client list. You'll be able to see all your customer details organized in rows and columns. From here, you can filter clients, sort them, or import the data into other tools like email marketing platforms or CRM systems. If you want a cleaner export, you can first apply filters inside Acuity to export only specific client groups or time ranges. Before finishing, make sure to store your file safely if it contains sensitive customer data. And that's it. You've successfully exported your client list in Acuity scheduling and gained full access to your customer data. And that's how you export a client list in Acuity scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.